He's not wrong, this place looks haunted.
Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to make an origami ghost. In the spirit of Halloween, even though sadly I can't celebrate it for personal reasons. So what you want to do first is fold your paper diagonally. Now fold the top and bottom points to meet the center intersection point. Crease them well and then unfold. Now fold the top point over to this bottom intersection here. And then now fold the two sides over to this central intersection and then unfold. Now fold the left side over to the right side. Take the top edge of the top layer and fold it to align with the left edge. And then fold the bottom right edge of the small triangle. And then finally fold down this triangle over here. Then fold the right point of the paper to meet the left point. And then repeat the same as you did on the left side. to make the shape of the ghost. What you want to do is take these two edges and then fold them over inwards like this. Fold the bottom left and right edges to align with the middle vertical crease. Then fold the bottom point towards the left side. And flip your paper over. And then fold these two sides down. Now all you have to do is put the expression on it. And there you have your own origami ghost. Thank you for watching, and as always, stay safe.